Good morning. This is the outfit. It's Sunday. Punta kaming Ninbin. Andiyan na ba siya? Nasa pick up na tayo. Just waiting. Gab's buying coffee. Ay, meron sila doon. They have tea, sodas, milk tea, matcha, and coffee. Anong order mo?
Brown coffee.
Ha?
Brown coffee.
We're in front of Hanoi Opera House. This is our van going to Ninh.
Anh em trên một trong hết nữa đi.
Ha? So, sa gitna ka? We sit at the back daw. Haratabi kami. Ano tayo kanina? Sa tabi ng Hanoi Opera House.
So on the way, he will do good care. So if you guys can relax, can sleep on the bus, no problem. Of course, for you, you can sleep, but not him. It's not allowed to sleep. Yeah. Tropical climate country. Tropical. Yeah, tropical climate. Before New Zealand. How about in the past? The royal family, royal family, they use cake.
Over, ay no kami. Hello, nag-stop over kami to pee and buy stuff. So, napabili ako ng artwork. I wasn't supposed to, pero kasi they were doing it on the spot. Ano ba naman to camera? Anyway, yung sigap. And this hat. We just woke up din. So, nag-CR lang kami. And mountains na din. We're on the way again. Sige. Wait, ba't ka?
Belong to a very rich person here. You know, the owner, he is a boss of a big cement factory. Owner of big cement. 944, the king died. So the country had no king because at the time Vietnam called Black Viet. So Vietnam got the old name Black Viet. But later on, he could not be king. You know, he just an officer, General Lý Công Uẩn, took over, and King Lý Công Uẩn, he moved the capital city from here to Hanoi.
We got a bike.
Okay.
Rob's over there, taking his bike. Dito na kasi kami, magbabike daw kami ng 3 kilometers. And then we'll get there. I guess you have a hat. Bigla. We parked the bike and we're walking there.
chim bay phấp đi với mọi nơi đã theo được người lừa thì mới quay hùng.
Okay, I had to wear a skirt because my skirt is too short.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see here some Vietnamese culture. These are the name of temple that we say. Then Vua, Linh, Yên Hoàng. Then temple, worshiping. Vua, king. And Linh is the family name of the king. Yên Hoàng is the first emperor. So this is the temple worshiping of first king of Vietnam. What? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you see the pond, many koi fish, original Japan, yeah, original Japanese fish. Long time ago, koi fish very expensive and very special, but now it's normal. That's not really expensive. Koi fish pagoda. So you come to a temple and pagoda, you see a festival flag. See the flag got 5 colors. Right, 5 colors. So 5 colors stand for five elements in the universe. Yeah. We call iron, wooden, water, fire, and yeah. You come to Hạ Long Bay, you can go to Cat Ba Island, the biggest island in Hạ Long Bay. You can visit Cat Ba National Park. Then there see many Kim Gia tree.
Okay, it's good.
Ano sabi mo? Ano?
Aswerte ako kasi white kita.
Okay, let's go to the temple. So temples are for worshiping the king.
Kasi 50 minutes lang daw tayo dito kasama yung
Iwan siya dun, gusto niya daw maging king. This is the second temple.
Come to Vietnam, come to many rich family. You see, normally see normal symbol like that. Evil spirit. Here we go. Second king in the middle, and the queen is right, and the playboy king is left. Okay. 5 minutes to go inside.
Kain ka dun. Gusto ko din, kaya hindi ako king.
Napahirapan niya siya.
We're walking back.
Tingnan mo kalabaw.
Lakabaw. Hala, ang still nila para sa ng mga statue.
Kahiri sila.
Wala. May baby pomegranates. I didn't know that it can be this small. We're gonna ride the bike again kung saan tayo nanggaling kanina.
Okay, so fast go. Go with me.
Goats. Off-road biking. So, nabalik na namin yung mga bikes. Old Vietnam. We have seafood, soups, eggs, tofu, seafood, spring rolls, fish, beef, fruits, and barbecue,
Finding Vietnam.
fried rice.
How are you finding Vietnam?
Lunch is over. Babalik na tayo sa van. Dami kanin. Ulan. This is our van.
So the staff belongings, click on the bus, but bring along important thing, money, camera, smartphone, and after the object everything.
Ponchos kami kasi it's raining. Hello. Off to get life jackets. Basa. We're gonna go. Hello, baby. Yeah, I took a video.
Do you know about love language? Galing mo may mga CCTV sila.
Ikaw sa photo, ha?
Cellphone mo. Okay? Meant for me to bumalik dito. Ito.
Hello. Okay na yun, tagal naman.
Sana may
We're entering the cave.
pwede akitin yan.
Ano?
Pwede akitin.
Ang ganda naman. God.
May electric. Flower yun mo diba?
Second.
Mukha talaga sa face.
Ha?
Mukhang
Ah.
bird.
Saan?
Ay... Nakikita mo sila. So part 2, akit daw kami doon. Kita niyo yung dragon. Pinaulit sa akin doon yung view. Kasi naka-portrait kanina. Ayun, akit lang doon. Muwa Cave.
We're back. Yay! We're going to hike. What are we hiking?
Muwa Cave.
What?
Muwa Cave.
It's 500 steps.
Kaya
You can stay here. Pabalik tayo. Pabalik tayo.
Kasi na.
Je vais mettre avec mon petit
வேணாம் டைம் எல்லாம் இல்ல போலாம் இங்கே 4 ஆயிடுச்சு அவங்க வந்துருவாங்க நீ வந்தினா போ நீ கீழ இறங்குறது வரது கரெக்டா இருக்கும்
Wala po tayo, lumaman.
Hello.
Ay, sila Alison.
Doon tayo galing kanina. Sana ganda oh. You can see it from here. I think, do you think it's the second cave, that one? Or the last one?
It's the second one.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, we're down here in 40 minutes. Ascend, descend, and tambay. What's that? You wanna go there? Okay, we're gonna go to Tiger Cave. Is it water? Mag-flash ka!
I can't see.
Oh, it's very dark. It's mud. Yeah. They have lotus flowers here. Oh, tiger and pawpaw. So, pagbaba, this is the Lotus Garden. Lotus River? River pala, sabi ng cab. So nice. It's very nice. Oh, ang dami. Then they have a grape farm over there. Panganap ko nung bata, humakaupo ako sa lilipad. Damsen. Ang ganda. Doon kami galing kanina. Tama yun? Doon kami galing kanina. And now we're down here. Pretty. Ito kami dumaan sa grape farm. Pabalik sa van. At bili kami inumin. Look at them, they're so cute. Very much deserved Fanta. Gab's gonna have sugarcane juice. Nasa 20-ish pesos lang siya. Thank you. An entire pineapple for 40 pesos. 20k PND. And here, how are you? Food trip. Trip at Campus. I'm so happy with my ano.
Did you guys?
Sa Mandawi na kami. It's raining. And andito kami sa
GM Premium Hotel.
GM Premium Hotel. Dinner. Ariko? Scallops and salmon wraps. This is shrimp fried rice. Is it pineapple fried rice?
It's a bowl of steamed rice on the side right now for you.
Hindi ko alam na umaapoy-apoy pala siya. Well, yeah, apparently. Meron kang isang, ano. This is... This is the beef pho. Yung kanina, yung fried rice, beef, and rice. Order the dragon cocktail. It has dragon fruit, jasmine tea, rose syrup, and hibiscus tea. I don't know what this is. Pero masarap siya.
Banana bread.
We're having green rice, ice cream, or dessert. Maybe it's
May pandan.
we ate here sa Solar Sky Bar and Get Restaurant.